Hey friends, Melinda here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I post effective workouts so we can sweat, sculpt, burn, and transform together. If you're new here, make sure that you consider subscribing. Today, I've got a 10-minute upper body chisel for you. We'll focus on building strength and definition within our upper body by hitting out the biceps, triceps, chest, back, and shoulders. I will be using a set of 5 and 8-pound dumbbells for our workouts. Be sure to choose weights that suit you and your specific strength needs. Also, if you get a fantastic burn with me today, make sure that you click that like button below and show me some love. Now let's get to our upper body workout. Let's go ahead and grab our 5-pound weights. We've got a touch down into a V press from here. So we'll take touch down and then into a V press. Make sure that the core is nice and tight here. Reach and expand out. If you want to go heavier, you can always go up 6, 7, 8 pounds here. Lift and press out to that V. Straight up overhead. Reach into the V. Take it up and press. So make sure that you're resisting on the way down. Very slow and controlled motions here. Breathe, extend and lift. So we're getting a lot of shoulder work here. Breathe and press. Lift it up. Reach and expand out. Go 4, 3, 2, last one. We're gonna take it into a side bicep curl, right out into a raise. So we curl side, flip the palms into a raise. Curl it out, breathe and press. Curl, sweep the palms. So palms go up, palms go down. So already starting to feel those shoulders really fire up here. So you wanna make sure that you're a little bit lighter because it's a lot of shoulder work. So that's why I'm going with these 5-pound weights here. Press, lift, and squeeze, press. So we're making sure that we're controlling down. Exhale, we've got a bent delt raise right here. We lift it up and lower. So think of 2 90-degree shapes within those arms. We lift and squeeze. Take a little pause at the top and press. There's a soft bend through your knees here. Lift and lower, press. And we breathe and squeeze. Take it up, take it down. In 4, 3, 2. Last one, I'll transition from here into our 8-pound weights. So I'm going heavier into our rows. So from here, we row up, palms face towards each other, and then supine with those palms. So we lift and then supination, press. Palms go in and then palms go up. Again, you can go heavier here. So maybe 10 pounds you would like to go. Press and squeeze. So we're in that hinge forward. Breathe it up. Squeeze and control. Long spine. No tension within the neck here. So gaze is at a 45-degree angle. Lift and press. Squeeze it up. Breathe. Make sure that you're not arching within the back here. And press. We've got our tricep extensions overhead. Bend at the knees, close the ribs, so you don't want to open up the ribs here. Exhale. So when I talk about opening up the ribs, this would be a big open rib cage. So I want you to close the ribs, really knit the ribs together so that you've got proper form and alignment. Also make sure that your elbows are forward for me. Exhale and press. Lower, lift and press. Take it down slowly. Exhale, squeeze it up. Take it down. Remember those ribs. Pull the navel into the spine. Working through those triceps. The triceps are a very hard area to target, so we're getting them right here, here and now. Exhale and squeeze. From here, you're going to take it into an alternating rear fly. Press it up, squeeze. So we lift, exhale, press, inhale, and exhale. Press, So if you would like, you can keep with that alternating row, or maybe you lift both arms. Both arms is a little bit more challenging than the alternating row or alternating fly press. Squeeze. I want you to think of squeezing the lats and the shoulder blades together here. Lift and squeeze. Take it up, take it down, one more, lift from here, hammer curl into a bicep press. We squeeze, and then biceps. So we're working those biceps here. Breathe. So if you have that heavier weight, you can always take it a little bit slower here. Press. Squeeze. Lengthen up. Press. In with the palms and then open with those palms. Take it in. Try not to jerk, so you don't want to jerk and use momentum here. That's why I like to have a little bend in the knees to stabilize and not use momentum. Squeeze. From here, taking it into an overhead press, alternating right and left. So you're fluid with this, moving right into the right and left consecutively. Press 90 degrees. So keeping that 90-degree position, lift and squeeze. You can stay with this alternating overhead press, or if you want, you're going to take it both arms right here. Lift and squeeze, press. Lift, press. Lift, squeeze it down. Lift. So we're getting total upper body right here. Those arms are working. Breathe. Stronger within that upper body. Lift, lower, one more, lift. From here, we're going to move down into our mat. Let's open up our mats. From here, we'll take it into a modified push-up. So we'll come down onto our knees, open into a chest press. We'll lower down, exhale and lift. Take it down, exhale and lift. Lowering down and then press. If you want, you can always take this onto the toes. We're working through the chest. Exhale, breathe, and press. Lower it down and lift. You've got 4, 3. Now I'm going to take it into a tricep press. Bring the palms in, so narrow grip and press. Elbows skim the rib cage, drop those shoulders. Take it down, exhale and push it away. Long spine here, raise it up. Take it down and squeeze. You've got 4. Scoop the belly in. Keep it moving, drop those shoulders. 2. 1, last one from there. Taking it now into a supine position, so we lie down onto our backs. We've got a fly combo coming up. So we slowly articulate down from here. We take that fly into a chest press, open it out. So I want you to hover the triceps off of your mat. So hovering them so that we are working those arms the entire time. Breathe. So we are working through the chest here, through the back, biceps, triceps even. We're all working through those multiple muscle groups here. Breathe. Squeeze and press. Open it out with control. So when we go slow, we can really focus on our form. Breathe. Open it out. One more chest press. From here, we're going to go into a narrow grip and we're going to pulse into a tricep press. Extend, elbows pull down, pulse it, and lift. Pulse. Press. Lift. hope you're feeling that burn as much as I am within that upper body. We are chiseling and sculpting through that beautifully strong upper body together. Stronger every day. Last one, pullovers right here. Keep the ribs closed. So again, making sure that the ribs are closing, the small of the back is reaching down into the mat. It's not going to be flat because there will be a natural curvature within your spine, but make sure that you're really scooping the belly in and focused on elongating through the spine here rather than arching. Gentle bend through your elbows. Keep it moving here. Inhale. Exhale, press. Squeeze overhead. Bring it overhead. Reach. And press one last one right here. Breathe and press. Slowly bend at your elbows. Slowly bring those weights down. Pull the knees in and rock up into a seated position for our shoulder stretches from here. Take the arm across the body from here. Take a breath, deep press the shoulder down. Inhale, exhale, gaze up and over that shoulder. Breathe and take it to the opposite side. Sweep it across. Inhale, exhale, dropping the shoulder down away from the ear. Gaze is up and over the shoulder. Coming through center, round the spine. Open up. Round through the spine. And exhale, press. Inhale. Open, press. Give me one more, little bit deeper. Lengthen up, release, roll those shoulders up and back here. Inhale and exhale, breathe it up and release it down. Awesome upper body burn. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you can stay up to date with all of my latest news and workouts. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to sweat it out with you guys soon again.